In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it really helps the channel grow. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, you want to open up your Asana project. Once you're in, take a moment to locate the specific section title that you wish to replicate. This is usually a clear title that represents a collection of related tasks, and duplicating it can save you some time and effort. Now that you've found your section, hover your mouse over the section title. As you do this, you'll notice that a little three-dot icon appears on the right side of the section title. This icon is your gateway to more options for that section. Go ahead and click on that three-dot icon. This action will open up a menu showcasing several options available for your section. Now, look for the one that says Duplicate Section. It's usually pretty straightforward, so you shouldn't have any trouble spotting it in the drop-down menu. Once you click on Duplicate Section, a dialog box will pop up asking for a new name. This is your opportunity to distinguish your new duplicate from the original section. So, type in a name that clearly reflects what this new section will be about. This step is important, especially if you're managing multiple sections within your project. Keeping things organized helps everyone stay on the same page. Next, let's talk about the tasks associated with this section. In the same dialog box, you'll see checkboxes allowing you to choose which tasks and task details you want to carry over to the new section. You can customize this depending on your needs. For instance, if you want to duplicate all the tasks exactly as they are, just check all the boxes. But if you only want to carry over specific tasks or details, feel free to pick and choose. After making your selections, it's time to finalize everything. There should be a button labeled Create New Section. Go ahead and click that button. At this point, Asana will create your new section based on the title and details you entered. Now, take a moment to check your results. Navigate back to the main view of your project and see the newly created section. It should appear right where you expect it, complete with the tasks you selected to duplicate. And there you have it. Duplicating a section in Asana is a simple yet powerful way to streamline your workflow and keep your projects organized. Remember, using features like this can help you save valuable time, especially when working on large projects with many tasks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next